today's video I am going to mine diamonds for this video. I have fortune 3 diamond pickaxe from my villager. How can I go to the bottom of the world and I make the water balance? Watch. It's just a copy. Everybody said that is just a copy. I was using so much of diamond spawn weight, not so rare. The diamond normally sad marble I was using. Once you can see on my instructions why you add so much diamond. I made this world for my own. I created seed. That's only there is too much of diamond. I made my hundreds of my base. That's only too much diamond. I don't make any seed. Okay. I just shock you on that time. Why? Because I check back also. It's not the real world also. I was searching everything on the fake world only. That's why I don't fear. Watch. Power of God is died. Everybody shocked. Don't be shocked because that is just a prank. I get a fortune to pickaxe only to my name. That's why this was too much damage. Everybody oh, I put too much damage, I think. Why? Because this is over than a stock of diamonds. I think that fortune gave you diamonds only. That's why I put so much diamonds. But this is gave a stock of diamonds. Oh my god. Okay, you are here. That's I put some diamonds. I'm finding some diamonds on the world. That's only. I think this is the real world only. That's only I remember. That is the copy world only. We go to the real world. My eyes hot after that. Okay. I take all diamonds. Okay. We already come here. Copy world is not I put there is some diamonds on the top and I didn't put that is fall naturally because of me. Okay. I want to get okay. Where is the diamond? How much diamond I get? Okay, this is too short. So let's come on top. My farm just grow very good, but so long. Hey, I like so much of quantity. They gave the good look the mango say. What are you saying, man? I don't want the fish. I don't want this stupid insect. But what is this mango tree? I don't want it. You are too rich. I can. Okay. You are shocked always. Okay. Okay. I want oh my god, I need to get some totems. I want to build some totem farm. What is how to build? I'm going to build a totem farm, but not in. I'm going to get some totems to go to right to the village. I already finished the rice things on a one day. Don't worry, that's a village 4,000 blocks away. That one I go with me. Yeah. Wait, why I put this on here? What is this? No, I missed a block. What it do? Put some diamond and some sword. I never remove a fraction. I want to stay. Okay, totems is not so rare, but yeah. Oh, okay. I bought Megaphone. I take over the Conquering Trader. Conquering Trader. Oh, I go to the top floor. Why don't put the door in? You or guys want me? This is not say anything. I know I have no wood left. I have some woods on here only thinking. I have some. Hi, so rich now. Next episode we are going to my 10 trillion diamonds I think. Why? Because I... Okay. There is take the diamond first. Okay. I want some lapis. I want to take some lapis. I think. I don't want now this season. Okay, I am trying to show the armor. Okay, I will just make my armor. I don't need this and this and this. Hey, you guys don't see my screen now. Thanks. I'm going to show my screen like this is the front side you all seeing, but I'm going to show the back side. This is so you all going to show. See, I have the hotspot skin. There is hotspot at the back of me. Hey, this is very good, man. Okay, I look like putting half my was so good. My skin was my god. Skin was so good. Getting diamond is so easy. Okay, I had a thought of I have wondered like you are thinking. Yes, but some problem. Hey, see this enchantment, man. See. I was a full text also. Full text. I was too many pictures I take. Okay. I was ready to beat the Ender Dragon. Next time I'm going to beat the Ender Dragon. I want to, before I do many projects I want. Okay, I want to put some diamonds on here and don't lose. Okay. I want to do so much project thinking before beating the Ender Dragon. Oh, this is so unfriendly. Where I going to? Oh, watch, my base was floating, but that is not a problem. Oh my god, this is so far. No. I just killing. How I destroyed my art forever. I never do it. That is just the footage on the backup. You are saying this to me, you put on bad man. You are saying in comments. Why? Because I suddenly make a fear for you only. Don't say bad comments to me. I don't put videos for a long time. Any of my comments say bad words, I leave the YouTube. Okay. I have so much channel. I go and run that channel. You say bad words because you were thinking I was 18 or 17. I was too young. You say brother, that's what I don't say to you. and I stop putting the video for a long time. Say them to say bad words on the comments. Okay. Oh my god, I just replacing everything. Okay. I was making this place too flat. Okay. Okay, I want too much torch to finish. What did I think? We go and take some dirt mining job and set the place to come build again. Okay. Okay, I done everything. I go to mining. Insert. My arm is a god. My god, this is too slow. I just built my base on that. There is a village. See? This is the village. Let's say now. See? My village is always there, but I miss to use this village. I don't want anything. There is a room for this. Oh my god, I missed to go to the nether. Now only. Oh my god, what is this? This is a huge place. Oh my god, I'm reporting the seed. The seed is. Okay, next video what I did on where is the seed. This is the seed. There is a weird glitch.